Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday, May the 7th. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We got a small Amazon Prime unboxing or unbagging. And you guys can get one at low cost. Click on the links down below. Gotta raise you up a little bit. There we go. And we're about to see where this is coming from. YONTEX on Amazon Prime. Take advantage of the fast shipping. So, be a good gift for somebody, especially for Mother's Day coming up. Cut. And we got this coming here. What do we have in here? It's only one video today. And it is, yep, YONTEX. And this is, boom, car air purifier and smart car charger. Awesome. So we cut this open right there. I'll be going into the car, hooking this up in a second. After this part is done. I do got my USBs ready, so everything's all easy. Easy to hook up, easy to use. And look at this thing. It looks like an alien spaceship. Definitely does help your cars that you smoke in. Clean it up a little bit. Got the two USBs right there. Cigarette plug, adapter, purifier. And this shows the display, I think the voltage or something like that. But we're about to find out in 1 minute. I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers. Here we are in the Jeep. Who got the keys to the Jeep? We plug it in here. Yep. 12.1 gigawatts. I don't know if I could just leave it running. Kind of awkward fit though. But it's alright. We'll just plug it in like this. It does fit. Boom. Alright, it does fit. So maybe the other one you can slide out for your tablet. Other phone for your friend. If you guys are Ubering it, Lyft. Just be a nice one to get. Actually, I'm going to start it up just in case. I'm not sure. Yeah, open the garage. I don't want the carbon monoxide. Just in case. Car started. Focus. There we go. 14.6. It is quiet though, this thing. But it cleans up the air, makes it more purified. All that good stuff. Cleans up the smell. People with asthma, this would be good for to clean up your ride. There you go. So YONTEX car purifier on Amazon Prime. YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good day. Thank you guys again for sending me this for a review. And take advantage, get it fast shipped to you in no time. And see ya.